making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, yeah. Things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, yeah.
Hello, hello. Happy Thursday. Hello, everyone. And today is Things We're Making Thursday, Things We're Making Thursday, Things We're Making Thursday, yeah. Today is Things We're Making Thursday, and the wonderful jingle for those of you who are new to the channel at the beginning of this video, that was made by Jess from J Hook Magic and her husband, and I love it. It's a really catchy tune, and I just love it. So if those of you that are new, we have been doing Things We're Making Thursday since January. And a few of the creators on here decided to start in January, and they pick out a free pattern each month, just like the jingle says, and we all work on them together. Now, I've not done every month because some months I've just had so much going on I've not been able to. But I've done most of them, and that's the great thing about this. If there's a pattern one month that you're just not really thrilled about, you don't have to do it. And you can pick and choose. And if you want to, one month, if there was a previous month that you skipped and didn't do, you could go back to those previous months and work on one of those patterns. This is so laid back, and you just do you and how you want to do it. It's perfect. So this month they decided on a turkey pattern since it's November. And look at this cute little guy. Is he not adorable? It's from Grace and Yarn, free pattern on their blog for this little amigurumi turkey. Now, don't let amigurumi scare you. Give it a try before you just give up on it because it's so cute and easy. I just got started on this, so far I have the beak and the wattle. I have those two pieces made. Okay, so the beak and the wattle. And I just got started on the body. And this is the body, and I'm using this yarn. This is the only brown I have left, and I am bound and determined that I'm going to use yarn from my stash. Get my hook back in here before I lose my stitch. So it is some Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo Stripes that I just had in my stash, and it's the colorway of Latte Stripe. Okay, so that's what's going to be my turkey's body. I think it's going to be really cute with those different colors in it. And then I chose, you choose, I think it's 5 different colors for your feathers on the back. So I have an orange, a green, a gray, a light blue, like a turquoise or baby light blue, and then a red. So these are my feather colors. And you can do any colors you want for your feathers, okay? But the wattle is red, and the beak and the legs are going to be done in this yellow. So I just pulled, and that's what I love about most of these patterns that we've done. A lot of times you can just pull from your stash and use what you have on hand. You don't have to go out and buy yarn unless you just want to. So I've been doing a lot of these projects just from my stash. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and share that with you. Not only do we have, let me go back and share this with you. Not only do we have, I'm trying to look because I know it's in here. I'm trying to find it real quick. I should have already had it pulled up, but where is it? We also have links to some of the other some other creators that have turkey patterns So it's not just um, this one. Oh, wait a minute. I think I might have found it. Maybe, sort of, kind of. I really thought I knew it was on. Why can I not find this? That is insane. Um, well, anyway, I'm not going to sit on here and do this on here, but all the patterns for each month will be in my description box and along with my email. So if you're not a creator, that's okay. If you don't have a YouTube channel, that's fine. You can still be a part of this, and you can email me pictures of your progress, and I can show them each Thursday on my Thursday videos. And also, we have another one of our creators, Jess. She created a Facebook page called Things We're Making Thursday. And you can also post your pictures to that Facebook page. Oh, I kind of thought I had, yeah, I thought I had found it. Um, I was going to look on here. No, I can't find it right now. Anyway, um, sorry, Jenna from Jenna Stitches. I said Jess. Jenna from Jenna Stitches. I knew I was saying that wrong. Sorry, Jenna. She created a Facebook page called Things We're Making Thursday, and you can also post your pictures there. You can do progress pictures, or you can wait and post your final pictures on there. So all that information will be in the description box, and I will have a list of the creators that are also doing this. And so if you haven't subscribed to their channels or checked their channels out, please click on the links and do that. So I'm going to get off here. I'm going to see how much more I can get done on my turkey. And we will see you again for next week for Things We're Making Thursday. All right. Tomorrow is Friday, so I will have some finished objects to show that I've been working on. And we will talk to you soon. If you made it all the way to the end, I hope you will hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. And yeah, stay tuned for more of Critters Crochet. Love you guys. Thank you for being here today, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye bye.